Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update drives on Nitro 5 Acer laptop. First, make sure your laptop is turned on and connected to the internet. Now go to the Start menu. In the search bar, type Device Manager and tap on it. Now a new window will open. Here you will see a list of hardware like display, adapter, keyboard and sound devices. Now click on Update Drive. To update a drive, choose one item. For example, click on display adapter. Then click click on the graphics device. Now click Update Driver. A new Windows will appear. Next, click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now search for the latest drivers online. If an update is found, it will instantly install it automatically. Wait for the process to finish. This may take a few minutes. You can repeat the same step for other devices like sound or network drives. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.